Hello, I'm Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity and creator of Bogash Life and Balance. And today we're going to talk about something you can do if you get COVID. We certainly talk a lot about how to prevent, how to boost your immune system, and things that you can do to improve outcomes. But this is something that can boost your immune system and shorten the duration of symptoms when you're diagnosed with COVID. And it should come as no surprise, but it's about getting off the couch and moving. And we know that exercise boosts immunity. We know that exercise improves outcomes. So it was good to see this particular study. It was a small study. It looked at a group of people between 25 and 45 years of age, and they followed them for 2 weeks. And these people were diagnosed with mild to moderate COVID. So no severe, these weren't in the hospital. And they had them do moderate intensity exercises. So 40 minutes a day, 3 times a week, not asking a whole lot. And they found that symptoms were decreased as well as markers of immunity were increased. Now, that should come as no terribly big surprise, but sometimes it's hard to get off your butt and move when you're not feeling well. I would suggest this. So back when I had COVID, it's about 36 hours of exactly what I would have expected, but I cooked it. So instead of bringing a fever down, I spent time in my sauna, got in the hot bath, but we have an elliptical here at the house. And so I do short burst, which if you followed my videos, that should not come as a big surprise. But I do 30 seconds, 10 sets of those. So 30 seconds are pretty intense. And so I found that by the second or third set of 30 seconds, once my body temperature was getting up, I actually felt pretty good. So it was definitely worth it getting my butt off the couch and starting to move. So moderate intensity exercise, I would suggest that if you just did, that's probably a brisk pace walking. The problem is that most of us, when we get sick, we have a tendency to shut down, and maybe that's not the best option. We want to do everything we can to boost the immune system. Just yet another way that we can have better outcomes if we do happen to when we get exposed to and diagnosed with COVID, because it's going to happen. So as always, I'll post a link to this particular study in the description. Make sure you like this video, share it with somebody who you think needs the information, and subscribe.